We've been hard at work to bring you something incredible. I'm excited to announce that Trossen AI arms are now integrated directly in the OpenPi framework. This now allows you to train, fine-tune, and run Pi0 style models directly with your Trossen hardware right out of the box. If you're not familiar, OpenPi is an open source framework from the team at Physical Intelligence. It's designed for training and evaluation of robotic models, especially vision language action systems. Their Pi0 and Pi0.5 models are state-of-the-art, and both are available in the OpenPi repository. We have taken this ecosystem a step further by creating a dedicated fork for supporting the Trossen AI arms. This means you can collect episodes using your robot setup, train Pi0 and Pi0.5 policies directly on those datasets, and run policy inference on real robots, all within the same OpenPi framework. To get started, we have published detailed documentation to walk you through the setup, training, and evaluation. You can find the documentation using the link in the description below. And that's just the beginning. We'll be releasing a full walkthrough to show you how to collect data, train a model, and deploy it on your Trossen AI hardware using the OpenPi framework. Stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.
Trossen Robotics, helping innovators innovate.